Hi everyone, it's Dava Edelman with Century 21 Award, and I've got a quick DIY tip for you. Today we're talking about an easy and inexpensive way to fix up the look of your wood cabinets. So sometimes we meet with clients who want to sell their homes and the cabinets are maybe scratched or the finish is faded like these ones you see here. And it's great if you can paint them or reface them or maybe even replace them, but sometimes we just don't have the time or the budget for that. So in those cases, I recommend this stuff. I use it in our own home and I love it. It's called Restore a Finish. It's by Howard Products. Costs about $10 for this bottle and that'll do your whole kitchen probably a couple of times. So let's see what it can do. So you can see here this cabinet, this side looks pretty bad. It's all faded and worn out. And this side I actually fixed up last week. It took me about 2 minutes and you can really see the difference between this old faded worn out side and this side that looks, you know, a lot better for the time and money that we spent. So let's fix up this side too. I've got this Restore a Finish and an old rag and some gloves. And it's going to take me, you know, maybe a minute or two to fix up this side, which is really, you know, pretty amazing for the time and the money that we've spent on it. So we're just going to pour some on our rag and just rub it in. And look at that, it looks so much better. I mean, maybe it's not as great as replacing the cabinets, but hey, for 10 bucks and, you know, an afternoon, you can really fix up your cabinets to look a whole lot better. Okay, so I just spent about 45 seconds finishing up this side of the cabinet, and I think you'll agree for the time and the money we spent on it, it looks pretty good. So if you're thinking of fixing up your home for sale and you don't have a lot of time and money to spend on your wood cabinets, this is a great product. If you'd like any more tips on how to use it or other DIY tips for fixing your home up for sale, send us an email or leave us a message in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.